Yeah, and they're going to help blossom some of the wildflowers out there. You can actually see some of the blue bonnets on the side of the road and side of the highway as well. Also a byproduct of the rain and this time of year, late March and early April, is the pollen. And as a matter of fact, let's take a look at that. Right now it's oak season and it's spiking right now. It's over 1,500. If you're sneezing, it's likely that. It's heavy on today's pollen count. Molds are light, elm and hackberry, same situation. But if you ever notice on the side of the road in your driveway at the neighborhood park, those orange and brown tassels on the ground, that's oak pollen, the pollen spores falling from the tree. And if you're sneezing, it's probably the oak in the air. Also, another byproduct of the rain is mosquitoes. It's not crazy right now, but I imagine as we go into April and May and June, things are really going to spike with more rain in the forecast, especially late next week. Heading into Final Four celebrations, we may even see that spike even more. Right now, temperatures are warm. Average high, upper 70s, lower 80s this time of year. We're near 90. It's warm. It's hot. 90 at Castroville, 90 at Calaveras, 87 at Bulverde, 86 at Bandera. South and southeast wind. It's near 100 in some communities down I-35 towards Laredo, 97 at Carrizo Springs, 97 at Eagle Pass, and some upper 80s east of I-35 towards Hallettsville, Columbus at 84, and LaGrange at 86 degrees. Winds are a little breezy, nothing too windy, but a south wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. For tonight. So if you have any plans, it's okay. I mean, shorts and short sleeves, partly cloudy, if not mostly clear, and temperatures stay mild and very humid overnight. As we were talking about, the rain from this past week just leads to a lot of tropical air in the atmosphere. And some of that is producing some rain in West Texas. We watch that because this may produce a couple of isolated storms in our area tomorrow morning, mostly across North Texas, anywhere from Waco to Dallas towards, let's say, San Angelo. They're in a marginal to slight risk of severe weather between now and tomorrow, and more of a widespread threat towards Arkansas and the southeast. But watch what happens on our forecast. It stays clear for the next several hours. Tomorrow morning, some fog, maybe some light morning drizzle, and then watch very closely a couple of storms between 6, 7, and 8 a.m. for the hill country. Some of those could produce lightning, maybe some small quarter-size hail, mainly a threat for the hill country. A lot of this weekend on approach to San Antonio, but that chance of rain is there tomorrow morning. So here it is on your hour by hour for Sunday. 70 degrees, very warm tomorrow morning. Between about 6 a.m. and 9 a.m., best chance at a couple of widely scattered showers and even possibly some thunderstorms. And just like today, we'll clear out. We'll see a lot of sunshine for tomorrow afternoon as we wrap up the last weekend of March. Now upstream, another system digs across the west coast. What that means for us is additional rain chances. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, mostly quiet, but late next week, another cold front drops in. And whenever this happens in the springtime, it interacts with more humidity and warmth at the surface. That's instability. That'll help produce additional rain chances late next week. And we have to watch that very closely because that's Final Four celebrations. Right now, the forecast calls for 1/10 to 1/4, but we could easily see that spike up to 1 inch to 2 in the coming days as more high-resolution data becomes available. All right, here's your 14-day forecast. Tomorrow, 84, 86 and clear on Monday, maybe a stray shower Monday morning, 86 Tuesday, and then look at those additional rain chances. First week of April, and it's bringing showers. Highs in the 90s and 80s with a 30 to 40% widely scattered shower chance for storms Saturday and Sunday. And again, that's Final Four time. We'll have to watch that very closely as a lot of folks are going to be here in downtown San Antonio.